This is a review and road test of a cheap, and by cheap I mean under $100 suspension seat post. So this is a Suntour NCX seat post, and it's kind of a parallelogram system that moves you, keeping your legs the same distance from the pedals, so you kind of go back and down when you hit a bump. There's no damping in it. It's just a spring with a parallelogram system that moves the seat sort of around in a semicircle around the radius of the pedals. And that looks like this. So this is more comfortable than just a regular up and down pogo stick style, because your legs stay the same distance from the pedals while you're bouncing. And there is a spring tension adjustment at the bottom. So if you pull it out and then turn this little screw towards plus, it gets heavier spring tension, and minus reduces the spring tension. So you have to remove it every time you want to change it. And there is a protective neoprene cover to keep dirt and sand and rust out of there. Is it heavy? Yes, but let's look at my original seat post. So my original seat post is 10.8 ounces or 308 grams. And then if we put the suspension seat post on the scale, we get 1 pound and 11.8 ounces or 788 grams. So you're adding a little over a pound to your bike if you put this thing on it. And then on my bike, I couldn't find the right size for my bicycle seat post because it's a weird size. So you can buy a spacer and use a spacer if you can't find the exact size, or if you want to use it in a bunch of different bikes, you could use spacers on the different size seat posts, and that's how much it weighs. So that's super light. That's aluminum from Cane Creek. So what does it feel like on the road? Honestly, it sucks up all of the little bumps. And when I first got it, I didn't think it was doing much until I went back and ride a fully rigid bike after that, and I realized it really does suck up a lot of the bumps and smooths out the ride, though you're going to still feel the big hitters. You can't go jumping on speed bumps. You'll still feel them, but here you can kind of see it kind of rocking up and down with all the little bumps on the road, and it definitely makes a big difference. So if you're interested in one of these, there is a link in the description. Thanks for watching. Comment, like, subscribe. That's the Suntour NCX suspension seat post for your bicycle.